Hey, what's happening, social media family? I hope you're well here. Welcome back to the Mindset Muhammad YouTube channel. Welcome to our community where we educate, empower, and enrich, okay, the lives of many people, okay, with our Snapchat, with our Instagram, and of course our YouTube channel, right? I am nothing but the voice, okay, but the message is not from me, it's from the people that have impacted my life. And anything that I found value, I'm here to share it with each and every one of you. And anything that I don't find, with value, then I don't, right? But hey, if you're a current subscriber, I want to welcome you back. And if you are someone new, I want to welcome you so that you can hit that subscribe button and of course like and comment on this video if you find the value in it, okay? If you found a value in it, right? But here's my message for the day, right? My message is, what car you're driving right now, the house you're living in right now, okay? The car you're driving, the house you're living in, the clothes you're wearing, okay? The neighborhood you live in, right? The friends you have, okay? The family members you got, right? All of these, okay? All of these at some point, okay? At some point are not going to matter, okay? At some point they're not going to matter. Why? Because you're going to be forgotten, right? You will be forgotten. People are going to forget you, okay? You're driving a 2020 car now. In 10, 20 years, you think people are going to remember that? No, right? You wearing a 50 grand watch. You think people are going to remember that? No, people are going to remember you for your values, for your morals, for your ethics, and what you instilled, okay, on those around you. What you educated, okay, your future generations, right? You can only pass down philosophies. You give somebody money, that money is gone the moment it left you, okay? So my point is this. One of the things that motivates me the most, ladies and gentlemen, is death. Knowing that I'll be dead. I don't know if it's going to be tonight, tomorrow, in 10 years, in 20 years, in 50 years, whatever it is, right? Whatever, however long it is, right? It doesn't matter, right? It doesn't matter. Why am I saying that? Because at some point, you and I are both going to be gone. So before that time comes, let's make sure that we make the most out of our life. So with that said, I want from today onwards, okay, ladies and gentlemen, I want death to be one of the things that you keep in your head every single time, okay? Because the way you do one thing is exactly the way you're going to be doing everything. So with that said, have a great day, everybody. God bless each and every one of you.